Milo and the Magical Moon Melon. Story by Moon Kidz. Milo the monkey always had the munchies. He munched on muffins, he munched on macaroni, and he munched on marshmallows at midnight. One misty morning, Milo found a glowing melon in the meadow. "Magnificent!" Milo marvelled. "I'll take this melon home for a delicious meal." But as he picked it up, the melon bounced from his hands and rolled down the hill. He marched after it, past the mice making music, and through a patch of sticky mud. The melon bounced into the morning market and rolled right up to a moose. The moose sniffed the sweet melon and was just about to take a mighty munch when— "Stop! That's my melon!" Milo cried. The moose looked curiously at Milo, then at the melon. "Let's make a trade," said the moose. Milo agreed. He traded his marshmallows for the sweet melon. Soon the melon's smell drifted through the market, and the magpies and mice gathered around. Everyone shared slices of the glowing melon and roasted marshmallows together. The end. Let's learn some M words. Monkey, melon, mose, marshmallow, magpie. See you next time, friends.